Now you watch what you're doing. You stop watching the camera. Sing for her. Hello. I'm getting you. I had to, whoops, whoa. I had to turn down the TV so we could hear you sing. Okay, now you. All right, very good, man. I think she likes that song. I think she likes that song. Okay, say daytime.
Take me out a ball game. Take me out.
Oh, Joe, say God bless you.
Can bless you.
No, don't pick her up now.
Why?
Because you can't pick her up by yourself. Oh, it is doing it. Just not coming on here.
Okay. Take me out a ball game. Yay. Take me out a ball game. Take me out.
Watch your feet now. Your pretty toes. Let me see your pretty toes. Now put them down on the floor. Let me see. Come here. I can't see them very good. Stand up. Let me see your pretty toes. Oh, look at those pretty toes. Man, oh man.
Take me out, ball game.
Did you forget about your sister over here?
Yeah.
Can't forget about her. Hunter, do you need any help with your homework, babe?
No. Take me out a ball game.
No, Logan, not so rough. Now move your foot. Okay.